This is a voiceless consonant. It's pronounced sh. This is the sound you make if you want someone to be quiet. Shh. Did you notice the shape of my lips? Watch. Shh. Now you try. Listen, watch, and repeat after me. Shh. Shh. Now let's look at some words with the sound sh in them. It's found at the beginning of the words ship and sure, in the middle of the word nation, at the end of the word fish, and at the beginning and end of the word shush. Now you try. Listen and repeat after me. Ship. Shore. Nation. Fish. Shush. Good. For speakers of some languages, it may be difficult to tell the difference between the sound sh and the consonant s, especially at the beginning of words. Did you notice the difference in the shape of my lips? Watch. Sh, s. Listen carefully to the following examples. For each example, I'll say the word with sh at the beginning first. Ship, sip, show, sew, shy, sigh, chauffeur, sofa, shock, sock. Now you try. Listen, watch, and repeat after me. Ship, sip, show, sew, shy, sigh, chauffeur, sofa, shock, sock. Good.